how to sign up on Google account. So first of all, open the Play Store app and click on the profile icon and click on the Google account icon and click on the line horizontal marks and you show options like add another account, so click on it and show the Google option, so click on it and enter your password and you show options like login account and create new account. So simply create new account, click on here and select the for my personal use and select your name and select last name and click the next button and choose your birth date and select the gender and click on the next button and create your email like another anything and select the next button and enter your password and select the next button and confirm like yes I am in and your Google account is successfully created. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.